Hello, my name is Max. Welcome to No Code Nerd. We're talking about Ghost today. So Ghost, very, very cool. Fascinating little tool. Basically, it came out of the kind of ethos of wanting to start your own newsletter or your own publication, right? So this lets you basically create your own newsletter, create your own kind of community-ish newsletter space. Blog, it's kind of like a mix of a blog, a newsletter, everything else. The main competitor to it, I think, is Substack. Substack is usually the other main competitor, and Substack is just easier to throw things up on. But Ghost is, I think, if you want to get a bit more serious. So, yeah, you keep all of your fees. I like that a lot. And they have their own kind of it's like an API kind of crazy-ish tool if you want to get more serious about creating a publication. Whereas Substack or some other simpler newsletter tool or some simpler little blog tool is just there to help you get started, right? I recommend Ghost if you're really trying to go hard. So if you're creating a publication, if you're creating a community, if you're creating a lot of content and you want to just bring in a bunch of people around that, Ghost is probably the tool for you. And it's a really, really awesome startup. I've seen a lot of stuff that they do. They have awesome dashboards. Look at this. Oh, just beautiful. So yeah, Ghost is super powerful. Let me know if you have any questions on what is possible with this tool and how it can be used. And I'll answer your questions and I'll get back to you, and it'll be great. And you'll start making some cool money and some cool communities and some cool stuff. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.